Okay, so the website is completed. Um, so I'll run you through the new things. So basically what I did, I copied the structure of the existing website. It's not the same design, to be honest, just because I'm not using Weebly. We can change the design if that's a chair on the top. Um, but the texts are the same. I use ChatGPT to create a bit of an image with the um, logo, and the banner here at the bottom is also copied from the original website. And so we have the home, we have the about tab. So we've got the venue and same structures, the Weebly one. Um, skip the galleries for a second. There's a contact page with all the important emails. Members area, this is where people will log in and the whole uploading of images and admin work will happen. Um, Under the calendar, there's the most recent calendar file, and I'll show you how you upload and update it. So it shows a preview, and you can also click on download, and then it will open a new tab. And each and every computer will behave differently with that, but basically, this is the original file for you to save on your computer. Um, and under the information tab, it looks a bit different, but it's the same functionality. So we have the handbook. Again, this is you can change the file as much as you want, and if you click download, once again, it will click a new tab, and the handbook is here. And then if you upload the 2026 here, so I'll show you how to update. Under the additional information, basically what I've done, I mean, on the original website, it's kind of divided into like dividers. I noticed that some of the files are pretty old, so I'm not sure how often we um, update this page. But basically, what I thought we'll do is we'll have the handbook on the top and some additional information, so we can put here whatever we want, tutorials or messages or whatever. And again, I built an entire system to upload pages. Um, Same for newsletter. So this is the Flash. Um, People will be able to go back and forth with the year. So at the moment it's just 2025, but as the years will go by, we'll have more. And the Flash magazines will be sorted by month. And when user clicks on the open, okay, it will save into your folder, and then you can see it. Um, let's look at the back scenes. So I'll log in as an admin, and you notice a few changes here. So um, there's the two new tabs here, which is about uploading docs and managing docs. So if I go to upload, basically every upload type can happen here. So if you want to upload a new Flash newsletter, you choose the file. You just go do whatever file you want to upload. Select the month for which the Flash belongs to, and click submit, and then it will load where it needs to load. If you have a new calendar to upload, choose the file, give it a proper name because that's the name that will show in calendar. So this name here is the name that you are going to give it here. So just make sure you give it a proper name, 2025 calendar version 5 or whatever. Other documents here that you will load here will end up in the information tab in here. And handbook, a club handbook that you would load once a year, I'm assuming. Again, choose the file, give it a proper name, 2026 handbook. And that will end up here in the information tab under the handbook. So pretty straightforward. And then if you want to get rid of files or change, then you go to the manage documents, and all the documents that you've uploaded will be here. And so let's say here's the 2025 handbook, and now you've prepared the 2026. So you can delete the 2025 here and then go to upload and just upload a new handbook. And the same goes for every document. So these are the Flash. So if I know we've published a Flash and then you need to change it, just delete it and upload a new one. You can select to which year. The default will be 2025. Here's the calendar. So if there's a new version, just delete the old one, put a new one instead. And all the additional documents are here. So any tutorial that will upload can go here. Easy. Another thing that I've done was this page, competition evaluation. David asked for a page that he can hold during an evaluation night when if an evaluated scores an image with honors, then David can sort of yell out the name. So I've created this page. So you pick your competition as I did here, and it will be having two tables, one of all the print images and one for the DPI. In this case, this does not print for this competition. And as you can see, there's the image thumbnail and the member's name. And so if the evaluator gives this image an honors, then David can have a quick look and say, yep, this is Mr. Smart. And also um, a box here that David can just manually enter scores if he wants to. And obviously this page can just go and be printed as a PDF. And so will be printed as pages. So that's a page I've added for David. Um, as for competitions, I mean, you've seen that earlier, but so now there's an APC competition, and I've added the natural environment, which was missing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 special competitions and APC. And one more thing that I've added was the annual scores. So this is now created automatically. Every time you click on it, basically it reads the latest information and populates this table. So you have the prints, you have the DPIs, and then each one of them has the names and levels and the scores, and then it calculates total for color, total for mono, and general sum. So that works automatically, and that's it here. I'll go again to the members area and I'll log in as um, a member. Sorry for that. So members now have access to the annual scores as well, and they can look at previous years once it's going to be relevant. All the competitions are here, the rules are updated, and also I've added limits on upload. So if I'll upload, say if I'll, let's have a look. So here under Nightscapes, I've uploaded 2 images. I'll try and upload another image for Nightscapes. Oh, the date is gone. But if I'll try to upload something that I've already uploaded, it will give me a pop-up saying you've reached your maximum uploads for this competition. And like if I'll go versatility, it will allow me up to 5. So as you can see here, yeah, and the evaluator looks pretty much the same. I don't think I needed to change there much. Yes. Oh, yeah. So the evaluators tablet tables also change dynamically based on the type of competition. So this is an APC competition. So levels are noted here, but if I'll put versatility, which levels do not play a part, you can see that levels are not presented. And one more thing I forgot to show you, the galleries tab. So now the galleries are created automatically. So if you select a competition, so the competition will only be those who are have been done already, so not upcoming competitions, obviously, because they're not scored. And if I'll choose here, say the nightscape, um, so the system chooses automatically all those images that were scored as honors, and we'll create this table. And if I'll click on an image, then you can see it. And then randomly we'll choose 6 images. In this case, you can see 5 just because I haven't uploaded enough images, but 6 images, both from mono and color, DPI or print. And we'll just randomly show 6 of those who did not score honors, and you'll be able to see them here. So galleries is now fully automatic. Yeah, basically we are uh, good to go. So I think what I'll do is maybe next committee meeting, I'll do another presentation. Just kind of we'll go one by one. We might even just open a new competition, upload documents, see how it all works in real time. And then we'll have a bit of a maybe real life trial with the next, yeah, with the next competition. Others is starting to kind of look into everything. And yeah, we are getting to the final note.